Dracos still around.
Are they like whole world systems or like individuals?
Individuals.
Okay, they're still causing some ruckus. But they're quickly being... Well,
yes.
aren't they basically... I mean, God is taking care of them towards the singularity too? Or?
Yes.
And then you said there's another race. What is this other race? Would people on Earth, anybody on Earth, recognize this other race?
No.
Had they had dealings with Earth?
No, they're not causing trouble for Earth. They're causing trouble for other planets.
Okay, so there's another race, a culture race, from another planets or whatever you want to call it, that are causing trouble for...
It's from another universe that are causing trouble for other planets.
Okay, are they causing trouble in the universe of the souls?
No.
So they're not even in this universe.
Exactly.
And that's being taken care of also
yes.
right now. Okay. So we're really down to the
bare bones.
The final little bits of pieces of
yes.
This and that. If we're at this particular point in clearing up things, why are the people on Earth still a mess? Just stubbornness? Like they're not willing to give up all the stuff they had there, or...
No, because it is getting better. You just can't see it because you're too close. Getting better in a spirit way, but it hasn't transferred to physical yet.
Do people still have attachments upon them?
Very few. And those are ones because they're holding them on.
They're holding them on. Can they just go ahead and be removed anyway?
We're working on it, but we're trying not to damage the souls that are just so...
enmeshed?
No, not enmeshed. Stubbornly determined that they will not let go. And that's basically the last 3% of distortion left for the realignment. So we are working on it, but the Anunnaki stuff is taking place first.
Yeah, Anunnaki takes precedence.
We'll place that stuff on hold temporarily.
Yes. That makes complete sense. Anunnaki has to be taken out because they are...
taken out first in
yes.
all the tunnels.
Anunnaki tunnels, the few Draco, the other races being a bunch of butts.
That's what the last little bit is.
That is very encouraging to hear.
Remember, a lot of the darkness you see on Earth right now are empty shells.
Yes.
And those will be taken out in the next few years.
Or whenever the God Loop comes through.
We don't know when the God Loop's coming. So
as things are going at present rate, without the God Loop, this is what will happen.
Because we don't have God's timeline.
I'm going to tell you this. I'm not sure that he does. I think that he has a timeline in sort of ish, but that's not definitive. So that as things adjust and as he sees things going, then he will go from there.
His timeline is very fluid.
Yes, and I think that after the Anunnaki attack, which is something that no one ever would have conceived could have occurred, and they saw the determinists and what they were actually the plan was, if that plan had unfolded the way it had been set up for, what could have occurred. I think that a new and better, deeper understanding of how imperative it is to get this done as quickly and thoroughly as possible.
Yes.
It'll be fine. It'll work out.